offended. I am hurt. Hi fams, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here, of course, and we are heading out right now. Where are we going? Sarah is going to school with your cute self, and Tyler is also going to school, so I'm doing all those runs right now. Tyler, come and say good morning. Sarah, say good morning, fams. You're so cute, you know that? Say good morning. You here need to brush. Good morning. He always do that. Show face what happened to you this morning. What happened to you this morning? Ah! Somebody lost a tooth. Somebody lost a tooth. So let's see if his tooth fairy will show up tonight and be nice. So I asked him, Tyler, I wonder if your tooth fairy will show up and be nice. He said, Mama, my tooth fairy always show up and she's always nice. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I am making breakfast before I head out. Breakfast this morning is banana, oats, and different type of seed. Flax seed, pumpkin seed, and all those kind of seeds. Anyway, guys, I am heading out. Baby's up and already off to work. So we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Have a good day. We're en route to school drop off.
It's okay, Pippa. It's okay.
So see you guys later. You gonna have a good day? Yes? High five? Eh. Eh.
That's okay. Everyone do my
Oh Lord. And off we go. Sarah, stop running. Walk. Sarah, stop running. Good job. No running.
Dad.
I have dropped everybody to their respective places. Why is my hair white? This gel make my hair white. Isn't it funny how whenever you take up a book you just want to sleep? Like why? I had to message Babe and venting. Like I'm okay the entire time, and the minute I took up a book I am yawning down the place as if I can't hold for a minute. And that only happens whenever I take up a book. It's like the book don't want me to study at all. Does anyone have the courage to go sit in McDonald's and ignore all the yumminess in there and study in there for 2 hours? I do that twice per week. That is some real courage. That is some real determination. That is some real mental strength. To sit in here and not order my favorite things off the menu and just focus on studying. That's crazy. I know a lot of you couldn't have done that, especially in McDonald's, right? Anyway, guys, I'm here trying to brush up on my French before I go pick up Sarah in about an hour. So I'm here trying to fight off the sleep. I have to be fighting. Fight, 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 and fight. Because it's a struggle. Anyway, guys, catch you guys later. Showing you guys how beautiful the weather is today. Going through town, don't need no jacket. Zero. You'll still see people in jacket, but you really don't need it. I stopped wearing jacket. It's not needed. Town is not so busy today actually. It's Friday, but it's not so busy. It's approaching lunchtime, so I guess you'll see more and more people as the time goes by. But the weather is so good. Just a light little long sleeve and that's enough to be out. You don't, some people not even have on long sleeve, just a little tee. The weather is absolutely beautiful out today. Summer is here. this beautiful masterpiece. The beauty of architect's Jersey in France can never get old each time you see it. Let's go get the daughter. Had fun? Say yes, mama. Cool. Say bye-bye. Au revoir. Bye, Leah. Okay, heading into the butchery to get some chicken breasts, maybe plantain if they have it. But we'll see what they have in here. Bonjour, 2 kilos de... Oui, s'il vous plaît. I have plantain, but I don't like how they look. Maybe I can get a few out of it. Oh, I'm gonna take just 3. J'ai vu 3 bananes plantain aussi. Oui, c'est tout.
On le coupe ou on laisse comme ça?
Ah, laisse comme ça, ça va. Ouais. This parrot fish, but it's too big. Whenever I buy them this big, and I cook them, they dry. Go, 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 go. Pardon. We are at the supermarket, you guys, doing my weekly shopping. To show you guys all these French pastry goodness whenever I come to the supermarket. Look at this. Yum yum. Look at all this goodness. This one is so pretty. Just by looking at it, you want to eat it. So good. Ooh, strawberry season. Yes. And then there's cheesecake, but I don't think I'm going to take any today. So I'm gonna run. Brownie. Should I take a brownie for my husband? He'll be happy. He would be happy. He would be happy. Should I take brownie or should I take cheesecake? Alright, I'm gonna take brownie for Tyler and Papa. They will be super happy to see this. Say to Mama, come here. Okay, finish now. Finish.
My teeth
You showed them already this morning. You guys, have you ever gone supermarket with 2 young kids before? You should try it. You want a tablet? Okay, after supermarket haul, okay? Tell Mama, what's this?
Egg.
Egg for the way you say en français.
En français,
Maman.
des œufs.
Bravo, yes, Tyler.
Faith, be careful, look properly the eggs because at one time they crack out and little chicken will come out. Baby chicken will come out.
Whoa!
Okay, which bag you doing? We have a little surprise for Papa. Just tell little surprise. Don't let she open them because she's about to do that. What's this? Soap.
Mama,
Garbage
which
bag.
bag?
It doesn't matter which
Soap.
bag it's in, just do
Soap.
supermarket haul.
Soap.
What's this?
Oh,
Toothpaste for Sarah.
we have a cheese.
Jambon.
I hear somebody else doing their product.
We have a
away.
cheese. It's a tartar cheese. It's a, like a creamy cheese. How you call that in English?
Yes, it's cream cheese.
It's cream cheese.
But
so-
with garlic and herbs in it.
Soap. Avocado.
Yes! Good job, avocado! Yay! What's this one? What is he doing? Soap.
Avocado.
What is this? No, lettuce.
Lucky.
En français, c'est salade.
Salad.
Et ça c'est quoi?
I tell you see if I see
Bravo!
What is it in English?
butter.
En anglais, c'est quoi? In English. What is it in English?
Butter.
No, ça c'est en français. In English, what is it? Water.
Man.
Watermelon.
I don't know how. I really don't know how to make, but I know we need to do this. We can use it on the TV.
What?
What?
No.
The dirt, like
The one that
this.
I used to.
Yes.
No. This is to wash bottle and leave things that you can't ruin. This is different. He says the thing that I used to dust.
So we have another cheese for the salad. Then after that, she take a good amount of cereal bar. She likes
With
cereal
a
bar.
bowl.
Bread.
Yeah, you take
What do you call it?
Bread.
like 7, 8 of them.
Bread.
That's ham. What's this?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Some of the things in double.
Wasabi.
I have rice, I have juice.
Basmati.
What's this, Sarah? You have no idea. Babe love this. What's this?
Liver.
Chicken liver. What kind of the chicken make Ty?
Oh, other harder one. What the shrimp noise is.
I would say the same time. Almond milk and grapes. That's too funny. That's a good one. What's this, Sarah?
We have some yogurt.
Banana.
Oh, the best part.
Tomato sauce.
Carrots. Oh, I see your Coca. Sarah, don't do that.
We have an apple.
I see your Coca-Cola going down so about and you.
Who are you talking to?
I'm going to do my
Oh.
salad.
So you say, I see your Coca-Cola.
No, I see R.
I'm going to do my snack bar.
Everybody drink Coca around
Cereal
here.
bar.
Yes. Good job. Chocolate milk for Sarah. Tyler can't really drink chocolate milk much. He'll drink a little cup, but not this one. Tyler will vomit. Prep for Tai. Ooh, Sarah, what's this?
Pineapple.
Yes, c'est quoi en français? C'est quoi en français? C'est quoi?
Ananas.
Ananas, bravo.
Whose favorite is the monster?
Papa.
Pineapple.
Papa.
Pineapple.
I can
Cabbage.
sleep with the monster
Papa.
lunch.
No, stay up here.
Papa, je dis que c'était le 5e jour d'école.
You know something with France? The cabbage that we have in Jamaica, you know cabbage soft and nice. I can never ever find a cabbage like that anywhere around here. That's okay. These cabbage in Jamaica, if we go to the market and see cabbage, this stuff we don't buy it. But guess what? Come in a different country, you better love it up because it's the only one you're gonna see.
Mama,
Yes?
what is it?
Okay, your papa is surprised.
Papa, tu vas découvrir la surprise.
Surprise for papa!
And go Bonnie. Ah!
So mama sacrificed the cheesecake to get your brownie.
Oh, there was no cheesecake.
There were
So why did you
cheesecake.
take both?
And then me you hear, you guys hear what he said? Why I didn't take both? Take both and then the bill high and he said, honey, what did you buy? I won't be responsible
Let me
for
tell
that.
you some things. All of this cookie equal less than 2 of the cereal bar.
So
So you're talking about the bill is 3 or something.
so
I agree with the bill when it's cheesecake.
Cuckoo
This worth more than this.
so I rather buy that work
No.
more and it's good for me than the cheesecake every week.
So you could have taken 2 packs of brownie. It's still cheaper than all of this. I'm not going to give the other one.
Guess what? I'm not buying no more brownie for him. Anytime I go to the supermarket and think about him, I'll just leave the product
Please,
here.
let me take.
I am offended. I am
Let
hurt.
me take for
I am very
I'll take it
thankful.
for you, Ty. I'll take it for Tyler, but babe, I won't ever think about him again. I
I'm very
won't.
thankful.
I
Oh,
won't.
I like this
No.
biscuit. So you took this biscuit?
No, sir, it's for Tyler, so don't even
So
bother
this
looking.
biscuit is
Don't
for me.
worry, Papa, I can share with you.
Yeah, you can
Sarah,
give me all of them,
don't
right?
do that. Okay?
I'm still going to do it.
Tangerine.
Okay, there's 10 in the box. 5 for Papa and 7 for me.
No, Tyler, don't give none. Don't give him any.
No, we are playing. We are playing for
It
something.
hurt Mama.
We are playing for something. We
A
have
rock,
something to play for.
rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
You
Me
want
and him
the-
gonna play this sweet.
No,
Yes,
I'm
yes,
He's
yes, yes.
losing again. No brownie. In this bag,
Papa.
okay, you play. In this bag we have all the proteins. We have salmon. I must have no voice by the time I finish.
Oh.
Chicken.
We have the donuts. You can see that the 4 donuts became
Oh,
3.
We're gonna become 3 because the kids then eat one. And yogurt for Tai Tai and more yogurt in here for Babe and I. So that's the supermarket haul. It's time for rock, paper, scissors.
Who plays? Tyler? Oh, Tyler's your champion. You don't play, you let your champion play
Yes,
for you.
Tyler is whatever Tyler happen goes. So what we playing for?
We play for this.
The brownie? Oh, the
The
biscuit?
one is all me already. It's for this that we play.
Alright. Well, let me move the yogurt from here. So put the yogurt over there. Rock, paper, scissors time, Sarah. Come. Ready? Who's ready? Me. Wait, Tyler, we can't see your face. Turn. Papa, come closer. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Tie. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Look how Papa going to kick your butt. 2. Come, let me do the third one. You want me to do the third one? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Undefeated Papa win again.
Not even a tie. Not even a tie. A 3-0 or straight.
Alright, guess what?
All of it.
Tyler lose that round, we're gonna do a second round. Come, Papa.
Yes,
Yeah,
we
you.
can do a
If
second.
you lose, you're not getting no brownie.
Yes,
Wait,
Tyler.
and also,
Come,
she
Ready?
don't have no biscuits.
stop, watch this. Look how they're kicking ball. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, 2. Rock, paper,
No,
scissors,
you
shoot.
have 3.
2.
2-3 now.
Who have 3?
You, I just kick your ass.
No, you
No,
have
Papa.
No, I have 2 now, it's 3.
2. Really?
Look at that. In front of the camera, I asked for the camera with you. I asked for the camera with you. In front of the
I
camera,
have
she
3.
cheated.
Yes, you have 3. When I said 3, you. Mama had 3.
In front of the camera.
3, 2.
We have replay.
3.
Okay.
It's okay. Sarah go on bad.
3, 2.
Okay, Tyler. We have the camera.
We're gonna have to watch back to see who
And we will
won.
watch the camera
And we
all together.
wait.
All
We'll
together.
put the number of who win. We put the number of who win. Anyway, you guys.
No.
Hey, finish.
No. Mama win. Mama.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul. We're gonna look some food right now. Fat Friday. This is what the flex look like. From Monsieur, done by Monsieur Delaveaus, and mini pizza.